Welcome to our channel. Canceling your Xbox Live subscription stops automatic renewals and prevents future charges. Follow this complete tutorial to terminate your membership. Step 1. Visit the Microsoft account website and sign in with the credentials associated with your Xbox account. Step 2. Navigate to Services and Subscriptions from your account dashboard to view all active Microsoft subscriptions. Step 3. Locate your Xbox Live Gold or Xbox Game Pass subscription in the list. Step 4. Click on Manage next to the subscription you want to cancel. Step 5. Select Cancel or turn off recurring billing. This prevents automatic renewal while allowing you to use the service until the end of your paid period. Step 6. Microsoft may offer you retention deals such as discounted rates or extended trials. Review these if you're interested. Step 7. Confirm the cancellation by following through with any additional prompts or confirmation screens. Step 8. Check your email for a confirmation message from Microsoft. Your subscription will remain active until the end of your current billing cycle. Then it will not renew. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.